So Vyan has decided that he wants to begin his series with cooking. Today we'll make a very yummy and healthy sandwich. So first let's see what all things you require, and then Vyan will show you how you can make that sandwich all by your own. So mommies and daddies will need a little bit of help from you in arranging those things. You can add more vegetables as per your kids' choice. So let's go and check what all things Vyan loves to have in his sandwich.
2 slices of bread, 1 slice of cheese, tomato sauce, spinach, cucumber, carrot, cheese shreds, salt and pepper.
That was yummy.
And healthy too. So if you add all these vegetables in your sandwich, you will become strong. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching for many more such videos.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.